Okay, in this video we're learning what is a function and what's not a function. We're going to look at a table, a set of data, a graph, and a mapping diagram. Alright, so the first thing we need to kind of know is that x cannot repeat. X cannot repeat. Okay? And so the first thing I'm doing is looking at my table. I'm looking to see if my example one, if x repeats. And if you look right here, that x is repeat. So it's not a function. Alright, on my second example, I'm looking to see if x repeats. I don't see an x repeating. I have y's repeating, which is okay. It doesn't matter if the y's repeat, it's only the x. X cannot repeat. So this is a function. Alright, sometimes they put the data in a relation, which is a set of ordered pairs. So I'm looking to see only if x repeats. I have a 2, 0, a 2, and a 1. So this is a function. In the fourth example, I have a 0, a 0, and a 0. So this is not a function. So remember, x cannot repeat. Whenever you're doing a graph, you can use something called the vertical line test. The vertical line test is a line that we draw up and down. If you think of the x-axis and you draw a line straight up and down and it touches it twice, that means it's touched that x-axis twice. It's touched the x. The x is repeating. So if I draw a line here, do I touch the function more than once? Yes. If I draw it here, 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 I touch it more than once. If I draw it over here, I have one touch here. But if I draw it again and I touch it again, it has two. So this one's not a function, and this one is not a function. So what would one look like if it was a function? Let me show you. So let's say I have one right here, and we could do a parabola. If I draw a line straight down, do I touch it more than once? No. So every time I draw it, I only touch it one time. So this is a function. Let's go to the next one. These are mapping diagrams. I always say x only goes to one y. Alright, so I look at the 2. Does 2 go to only one y value? Yes. Does 3 only go to one y value? Yes. Even though 2 and 3 both go to 1, it just means that the y is repeating, which is okay. Does 4 go to only one y value? Yes, 4 goes to 0. So this is a function. Look at my next example. If you look at 3, it has two arrows, one pointing to 4 and the other pointing to 1. This means that you have 3, 4, and 3, 1. Both 3's are in the x value. So does that x value only go to one y value? No. So this is not a function.